River flood warnings have officials reminding motorists and people out on the water about flood safety. The Tippecanoe, Wabash and Vermillion rivers are all under a flood warning. Check out the high water at the Oakdale Dam in Carroll County earlier this afternoon. Rainfall of 2 to more than 5 inches has fallen across the area since Sunday afternoon. A few county roads, agricultural land and river parks are at risk for flooding. Officials say motorists should never drive into floodwater and should take an alternative route if possible. Recreational activities on the river are not advised when the water is high. Carroll County emergency management officials say they aren't concerned, but more rainfall could change that.